and ladyets, señoritas. My name is Jose Silva. I'm going to do a presentation about Windows, Vista, and XP. And here are my colleagues.
My name is Robert Gant, and I work with a lot of computers every day, different scenarios. We're going to explain about Windows XP, why Windows XP is better than Vista. My colleague here, Ruben.
I'm going to explain to you why it's better. What is just saying why they choose Windows XP over Vista. It's newer, higher quality graphics, video cards, comes with Internet Explorer 7. It's more secure than previous Internet Explorer versions and has better pop-up blocker and phishing protection. It can be used with Microsoft DirectX 10. A more sophisticated and intelligent interface than XP. Great for gaming and other entertainment if you are using Home Premium or Ultimate. Start menu and other programs simplified. Getting access to networks are easier than XP. Windows sidebar lets you put features on the side of your screen to help you out. Examples are clock, the weather, slide games, picture slideshows, calendars, and notebooks. And this is some of the graphics that Vista has.
Well, here we're going to say about Vista's faults. The bad things about Vista. Some good things, some bad things. It runs between 50% slower than a computer with Windows XP installed on it. It requires about 512 megabytes of memory to even run, which is a gigabyte minimum to run conformably. But exactly, that's just an estimation. Really, it takes up to 2 gigabytes to run. And Vista comes pre-configured to use account control, a security monitoring system. Anytime a person logs into the computer or does an action or is about to an action to be performed, it informs you, requires administrative status, installing a program, writing to or deleting systems, files, changing critical systems, settings, etc. And the user will be asked to allow or deny the action and must respond to the prompt to continue. This can become kind of annoying sometimes, but user account control can be turned off, but that would defeat the purpose of the security system. And Vista also sometimes is unstable with the current release. The majority of the consumers' reports call it unreliable or just simply the worst operating system for complexity. New patches are being created to fix some problems, but hopefully the concern that will be addressed to the first service pack. You may also have problems, especially within printing sometimes. The printer doesn't seem to prompt, print out your work, photos, etc. The problem may take the program, be bad before the use of this at schools as well.
Windows XP is a lot more sufficient, faster in most situations than Windows Vista itself. It's more readily compatible with current software and hardware. XP's faults are it's not as new. One of the older OP systems or OS systems. Yeah. It is not as secure as Windows Vista though. This is kind of disputed in the situation where Windows XP, you have a lot more complexity. Considering that most drivers and everything can be used with Windows XP. As far as security, is more secure. The GUI is not as beautiful as Windows, as you saw in the other slide that we had. The graphics for Vista are a little bit more high definition. It is not compatible with Microsoft DirectX 10. The consideration before buying or upgrading would be to read the consumer reports everywhere, get your own personal opinion from reading, then choose the best one for you. You can also use Google to Google stuff like this. Another one would be look around at computer and electronic stores like Best Buy, Radio Shack, Office Depot, Staples. You can look and compare for prices, so you'll get the best deal. Try to play some with both operating systems in the store, and carefully think it over, and then go on to buying it, depending on what suits your needs. Windows XP built on the Windows engine. Description: Windows XP Professional is built on the proven code base a Windows NT, which is also in Windows 2000, which features a 32-bit computing architecture and a fully protected memory model. The benefit is Windows XP Professional will provide a dependable computing experience for all business users. A lot of businesses use Server 2003. They don't want to upgrade because there is a Windows 2008 server. A lot of people, businesses don't want to upgrade for the reason being that it's more complex and it's going to cost them a lot more money. They don't have the probably they don't have the funding for the training and stuff like that, because it does take a lot of time and a lot of consumption of money.
It would. Here we're gonna talk about the XP features. The window file protection has a built-in Windows engine, enhanced device driver verifier, has a dramatically reduced reboot scenarios, has IP security, remote desktop as well. And like if you would like to get further information about Windows XP features, you could go to the website, which is listed here. It's http://technetmicrosoft.com. So you can learn more about the XP features.
And that's it. So, you guys have any questions?